Oh, hello there. Your kid's birthday is coming up and you don't know what to get, but I'm here to tell you that I've got the solution. Every kid loves Spider-Man and I think you should book yourself one of our video shout-outs. It goes something like this. Matthew. Matthew, where are you? Matthew! Oh, hello Matthew. How are you? I've heard it's your birthday today. Your mommy called me and told me. So I'm here to say happy birthday, Matthew. And I hope you love those presents mommy got for you. Loads and loads of gifts. I'm kind of busy right now. So I gotta go, okay? I got some people to fight. Alright, there they are. Don't know where to find me? Well, I'm everywhere. I'm under the name Deosis. That's Deeos.